Good morning to all. My name is Preeti Chaudhary, Assistant Professor in Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College from IT Department. So today I will discuss in this lecture CSS. Topic is Internet Infrastructure. So first of all, I want to tell you about the what is Internet Infrastructure. Internet Infrastructure are the framework. Framework, we can say that the architecture that the internet system are made. It means we can say that there are the some various internet infrastructures used in internet network, different types of models, different types of protocols and all. So these are the some various internet infrastructure, that is TCP, IP, DNS and BGP. But in this lecture I will discuss only first TCP IP protocol. So TCP/IP reference model of 4 layer means we can say that it is the comes over the OSI model, because in OSI model have 7 layer: application layer, presentation layer, session layer, and network layer, physical layer, and data link layer. These layers are included in OSI model, and when we want to pass any packet one side to another side, then that packet move to in different types of layer. So after that comes to this model, that is TCP IP model. TCP IP model have 4 layer, means we can say that it use the combination of 7 so TCP IP reference model, the 4 layer suite, means here we use the 4 layer which will be discussed in further slide. So what this, and it was developed by the DoD means Department of Defense in 1960. It is named after the two main protocols in use. First one is TCP and second one is IP. TCP means transmission control protocol and IP means internet protocol. So here TCP IP model use two protocol. Next one, these are the 4 layer used in TCP IP model. First one is host to network layer, and second one is internet layer, and third one is transport layer, and fourth one is application layer. So first of all, this host of network layer, it is the lowest layer that is concerned with the physical transmission of the data, and TCP IP does not specially define any protocol. It supports the all standard protocols. So second one is internet layer. Internet layer is the mediate layer. It comes to after application layer and all. And third one is transport layer. It defines the protocol for logically transmission of data over the network. The main protocol of this layer, internet. So main in this layer we use on in IP protocol. Internet protocol layer is used in this layer. This protocol use. It support the protocol, and other are first one we can say that the ICMP, IGMP, and RARP and ARP. Third one is transport layer, and fourth one is application layer. This layer is the topmost layer in TCP IP model. After that come to transport layer, then comes internet layer, and last it comes to host to network layer. So third one is transport layer. In what is the transport here? When data send one side to another side, that this communication means delivery data is totally error free end to end side, is called a transport layer. The protocol defined here the transmission. So here in this layer mainly use main protocol, that is TCP and UDP. TCP means transmission control protocols, means fully used to transmission end to end, and user datagram protocol, it is used for the mainly communication with user, UDP protocol. And fourth one is application layer. This layer is the most layer that define the interface. It define the interface to host program with the transport layer to service. This layer include highly level and other different types of protocols used in this application layer, like telnet, DNS, STT, FTP, SMIP. This different types of all protocols are included in application layer. Means we can say that in application layer mainly define the interface for user, कि how to use this, any website, any network. So it create a mainly interface. And these are the some 4 layer again. And first one is application layer. Application layer in comes to these types of protocol: telnet, DNS and HTTP. DNS is domain name system, telnet is using for a communication, and HTTP use the connect any website linking for. And same again transport layer use these types of other protocols use. These protocols use in this layer. This is TCP वही same transmission control protocol, user datagram protocol and HTTP again protocol. Third one is internet layer. This layer use main protocol IP. So it is the combination TCP and IP protocol is used in all communication and in all transmission. And these are the other protocols used in internet layer. And this one is last, host to network layer. Host to network layer, they use the some all other protocols used in host to network layer. These are the some we can say that the some sub protocols used in different layer in TCP IP model. Now I want to explain first layer, that is application layer. Application layer is the highest abstractions layer and used to TCP IP model and provide the interface and protocol need by the users. And second, it use the some functionality. Earlier I told you about it is comes after OSI model. OSI model have seven layer. It is use the only 4 layer. So some layer is combined in application layer. So in application layer use OSI layer use presentation layer and session layer also, but application is the combine of these layer. So application, session layer and presentation layer, and these 3 all layer are combined, and so functionality of application layer is different from OSI model. So these are the some functionality of application layer. First one is it facilitates the user to use to service of any network. And second one, it is used to develop the network based application. जितनी भी डेवलप बेस्ड एप्लीकेशन है उसको भी यूज करने के लिए एप्लीकेशन लेयर का ही मेन फंक्शन होता है. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज प्रोवाइड यूजर सर्विस लाइक user service and login, pass and enter to any website, naming network devices, formatting any message and email, and transfer to all file. It is also concern the error handling and recovery the message as the whole. जितनी भी हमारे एरर आती है या कोई भी मैसेज में ट्रांसमिशन होने में प्रॉब्लम होती है, वो सब किसके अंडर में आता है? एप्लीकेशन लेयर के अंडर में. And this layer, the number of protocols are used. Earlier I defined in previous slide. That is, first one is HTTP. That means is hypertext transfer protocol. It is the underlying protocol for the World Wide Web. Means WWW. It defines the hypermedia message and formatting and also transmitted. These are the function of HTTP. Next one is use the FTP. FTP means file transfer protocol. File transfer protocol, it is client based and protocol these use the between the some other. So it is used for file transfer for one side to another side. So next one is simple mail transfer protocol. Simple mail transfer protocol, it is the rule and also it is used for a mailing. Next one is DNS, Telnet and simple network management. Domain name system DNS, it is used for domain. जैसे for example you have any website that name is Amazon to www.amazon.com. So it is a name. Name is a naming of any network system, and .com is a domain. Use any website domain .in, .com, .ac and all. So next one is Telnet. Telnet provide the bi-directional text oriented to service both side, sender side and other दूसरी opposite server side. So it is a bi-directional text oriented service for remote login to host to over the network. Next one is Simple Network Management, SNMP. तो सिंपल नेटवर्क मैनेजमेंट प्रोटोकॉल, ये इसका मेन मकसद होता है मैनेजमेंट, जितने भी नेटवर्क होते हैं किसी भी एक पैकेट्स में या किसी भी एक कम्युनिकेशन के अंदर, जितने भी हम नेटवर्क यूज कर रहे हैं, तो ये उनको क्या करता है, मैनेज करने का काम है इसका, SNMP. These are the application. All application layer have these all protocols in comes to this application layer. Next one is transport layer. तो transport layer, so firstly I tell this application layer, then next one is host to network layer. Host to network layer, it is network layer to lowest. According to this diagram, this is the last position. So we can say that the host to network layer in TCP IP model is comes to lowest layer. सबसे लास्ट में आती है ये लेयर TCP IP मॉडल के अंदर, एंड इट कंसर्न विद द फिजिकल ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ डेटा. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द नेटवर्क इंटरफेस लेयर एंड लिंक लेयर. इट इज द मेन. तो ये कम्बिनेशन ऑफ डेटा लिंक लेयर एंड फिजिकल लेयर को इंक्लूड करके बनाई गई है. इट कैन बी कंसिडर्ड द कम्बिनेशन ऑफ फिजिकल लेयर एंड data link layer, same things. And again same functionality of this layer. Functionality is main, it is the defined how to bit are ensold into optical and electrical pulses. It accept the IP packet from network to encapsulated data. It means this is the network layer and encapsulated the into different types of frame. तो different types of frame जब हमारा one side to another side जा रहा है, तो उसको हम डेटा क्या करते हैं, प्रॉपर तरीके से एनकैप्सुलेट करते हैं. एनकैप्सुलेट मतलब बाहर से उसे पूरे तरीके से एनक्रिप्ट कर लेते हैं, और जब डेटा हमारा क्या होता है, प्रॉपरली अटैकर उसे इजिली अटैक नहीं कर पाता है. तो ये सारा काम हमारा क्या होता है, दिस लेयर का. एंड द स्टेट ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन इज डिपेंड ऑन some duplex, that is simple duplex, half duplex and full duplex. And some topology also used in this layer, bus, ring and star. These protocols use some supports for Ethernet, frame relay, token rings and ATM. These are very simply earlier uses. Then next layer is this. So again so host to network layer use these type protocols. Next layer is in TCP IP model, that is transport layer. Transport layer is responsible mainly error free, and it is used end to data free in whole network and totally in whole communication. Data is one side to another side moving any error. So it is transport layer. It corresponding the transport layer is OSI model. It is only also used in OSI model. And the function of transport layer mean main first function is communication host to carry the conversation. So main is communication between to both side, and it provide the interface for the user to the underlying network, and it provide for reliable connections and also carry out the error checking, flow control and the all verification. Next protocol used in this transport layer. So some protocols used in transport layer. This one transport TCP IP model. First one is in transport layer in protocol use TCP, transmission control protocol. It is very reliable connection oriented protocol that transmit data from source to destination without any error. Second one is connection of the established between the peer entity to prior the transmission. At the sending host, TCP divide incoming all bytes in streams into a segment and assign the separate sequence number of each segment. At the receiving host, TCP recorder that segment and send acknowledgement the sender to correct receipt of the segment, and TCP also manage flow control data and fast set data over them the slow the receiver. And these are the other protocol used in transport layer. Second one is next one is user datagram protocol, UDP. It is a message oriented protocol and that provide interface and communication reliable for a users and reliable connectionless and acknowledgement service provided by this UDP. And it is suitable for application that don't require the TCP sequence error control or flow control. It is used for transmitting a small amount of data where speed of delivery is more important than accuracy of delivery. Next protocol which is used in transmission protocol, transport protocol layer, so stream control transmission protocol, SCTP. SCTP full form is stream control transmission protocol. It combines the features TCP, UDP. It is message oriented like the UDP, which providing the reliable connection oriented service like TCP, and it is used for telephonic over the इंटरनेट. तो इसका मोस्टली यूज किस किया जा रहा है, टेलीफोनिक ओवर द इंटरनेट. And these are the some use HTTP YouTube.com. So it is used for a transmission transport layer. So thank you, and remaining part in this of this chapter we will discuss in this next lecture. Thank you so much.